Africa Content TV.
Anyone take well water 5 and 6.
We are 5 and 6, me and Pastor Ayewa. All over the world we have traveled.
Pastor,
your voice will continue to be sweet all over the world. All the word of God that are distributing, it has been seen in your life, evidence in your family, and it continues to be light all over. Reverently, I also greet all the ministers of God present. Dr. Ayefele is my son, my beloved son. Very humble. Very, very humble indeed.
Dr.
Ayefele, as you have been so humbled, God has seen your humility and your lifting, the way God has lifted you.
Also the unlimited.
He has turned it to unlimited this day. God has turned it to unlimited this day. The power of the heavens cannot be counted, and so your honor cannot be counted. So the heavenly star cannot be counted, and so your blessings cannot be counted. And the sound at the seashore cannot be counted. All that you are laying your hands on will continue to be successful. God of mercy will show mercy unto you. God of mercy will continue to surprise you. Things of wonder will continue to happen through your hands. You, your wife, and all your children. The blessing of God will continue to be multiplied. The mercy of God will be multiplied. One chapter of the Bible I want you to tackle. The book of Psalm 136.
Chapter 136.
That book of Psalm 136 talks about the wonders of God. He said we should give thanks unto God, for the mercy of God endureth forever. He was now recounting all the great thing God has been doing. He was using them as an example. God has done them, that His mercy may endure forever. In our individual life that are here tonight, the mercy of God will uphold us. The mercy of God will uphold us. All that we have come for here today, and talk to God about it silently in our heart. God has answered them. He has taken it to the place of authority and answer. So shall it be. All that have been here today, there are some blessings God has assigned that He should give unto you. That individual blessings, He will take it home. And the enemy will not take it away from you. And Satan will not take it away from you. Once again, wherever we might have come from today, God will take us home safely. By the time we are coming back here next year, we will have all testimony. So shall it be. It is so. And so shall it be. In Jesus' mighty name. God bless you. Amen.
Okay, ejeka àwọn Ayewa ejeka kọ orin lórí I Jésù olóore. Jésù olóore o. Jésù olóore.